Hey y'all, welcome back to another Swatch That Palette video. If you are new here, I have a series here on my channel where I swatch different palettes, showing y'all all the colors inside and just giving my overall opinion on the palette. Today I'm going to be swatching the new Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette, so if y'all want to see what's inside, then just keep watching. So here is what the packaging looks like. Ignore how dirty the outside already is. And then it's not really showing up on camera, but the lettering is in rose gold. So it's really pretty, so I love that. Anything rose gold, pink, and leopard print, I'm all about. And then whenever you open it up, it has this little clear sheet that has all the eyeshadow names. Normally I throw these away, but I actually kept this one. That way whenever I do my tutorials, I can let y'all know the name of the eyeshadow I'm using. They are so aggravating. I wish the palette had the names on it or on the back. It makes it so much easier, but I mean, that's not a big deal. I'm just being dramatic. All right, and here's what it looks like up close. Is it not so pretty? I love this palette so much. Not really sure what happened to that guy. I think I accidentally dug my nail in it. But I love that there's a mix of matte, shimmer, and then this pretty guy in the middle is like a loose glitter, if that makes sense, like a loose pressed glitter. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Just warning y'all, there's a lot of colors, so it's probably gonna look pretty crazy on my arm because I am not the best swatcher, but y'all see the colors. That's all that matters. Alright, if you didn't watch my last swatch video, just ignore that I accidentally touched a hot pan right from the oven to my arm and it left a scar, so just ignore that. But this is the first shade. It's a really pretty iridescent white. It is called Cheers to You. This one may not show up because it is like a nude color. It's called Chic It Out. Yeah, you can kind of see it. So this is a really good all over lid shade just as like a base, or you can use it underneath your eyebrow or inner corner if you want a matte highlight, and then that would be a really pretty inner corner highlight. This one is called Woe Is Me. A really pretty kind of champagne color. This one is called Getting Ready, which is a really pretty matte mauve color. This one is called Be My Guest, which is another really pretty kind of iridescent. Just ignore my watch going off. This one kind of has a little bit of pink to it, if y'all can tell. This one is kind of another nude color. This one has a little bit more of a peachy tone to it. Another really good all over base color. And then this one is called Feelin' Pretty. I have used this one a lot as a transition color. It's another mauve that has a little bit more purple to it. And that is the first row. Starting the second row, this is called Cute Shoes. That one has more pink to it. This is another really good transition shade. Those are super close. This one is called Enamored, which is really pretty. It's kind of like a pinky, purpley shimmer color. Call Me Gorge, which is a really, really pretty pink. It's kind of like a peachy pink. I really like that one. Have y'all noticed the further down my arm I get, the worse the swatches are? This one is called Melt Hearts. How pretty is that? I am obsessed with that one. It's like a shimmery Barbie pink, and I love it. This one is called Total Mood, which is a really pretty berry color. I love that one. This one is called On My Way, which is a really pretty gold color that is a shimmer. And this one is called Weekend Plans. That one's kind of hard to see because it's like a taupe color. I think y'all can kind of see it. And this one's a really pretty kind of pinky purple. And it keeps going out of focus. This one is called Selfie Sesh, which is another really pretty purple. It's a little bit lighter than what it's showing up on camera. This one is called Fancy This, another really pretty purple shimmer. And then this next one is that kind of loose pressed pink glitter. So this one you kind of have to pack on like that. But that one is really pretty. And that one is called Talk of the Town. This one is called Playtime. Start down here. If I get in the viewfinder. That one's a really pretty matte purple. This one is called Hello There. Another really pretty shimmery purple. And this one is called OU, which is a really good crease color. It's kind of a purpley brown. And starting on the next row, this one is called Good Lookin', which is a really pretty kind of cuter shimmer. This one's called It's a Date, which is like a deep plum color. Ready to Mingle. That one's kind of like a magenta shimmer. And y'all, my arm is killing me from holding it up like this. RSVP Yes. Such a pretty green shimmer that kind of is iridescent and has like some purple to it as well. Heads Turn is the name of this one. I've just now noticed that there's a lot of purple shimmer. I don't know why I didn't notice that before. This one is called Side of Sass. Some of these names are so cute. That's kind of hard to show up, but it's another kind of gold shimmer. And this one is really pretty. It's called Have a Moment. It's kind of like an iridescent green. Can you see it? You can't really see that on camera. I'm trying to add more to it. Can y'all see that? And then the last row, this one is called Thanks It's New, which is a really pretty kind of silvery gold shimmer. This one is called My Pleasure, which is a matte brown. Text Me Later, which is a really pretty green with some glitter in it. Can y'all see that? Is that not so pretty? This one is called, I forgot, hang on, Just Perfect. I looked at it right before I swatched and forgot. That one is a really pretty matte green. It's a little bit more green in person than what it's showing up on camera, but I love that. I actually used that in one of my tutorials using this palette. This one is called Enthralled, which is another kind of plum color, but it's not quite as deep as that one. That one. This one is called Heels On, and I cannot swatch with my pinky. Okay, so that last one is more of a sheen. It looks like a shimmer, but it doesn't have any glitter in it, and it is buttery soft. And then the last one is called Fashionably Late. So these last two are more of a sheen. It looks like a shimmer, but it doesn't have any glitter. And sorry if you hear my dogs in the background. We just got a new puppy, and he has been wild. And there you have it. The Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. So that's the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. I love this palette. The colors are so pretty. It's very pigmented, and it's a really good price point too. You can do so many different looks with it, and it's great for year round since it has the lighter colors and darker colors, and those darker greens would make really pretty holiday colors. I already have 2 tutorials using this palette, so I'll link those down below in the description bar in case y'all want to check them out. But if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make new videos every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.